This woman tried to show off her modeling skills, but her weight had other plans. These two decided to pool their money and split everything 50-50, but this guy clearly forgot the memo. He started skipping the deal, and honestly, it's hilarious. 50-50 was the plan, 100% fail was the reality.
Good luck, mate.
This guy spent the whole game on the bench. The coach finally said, go play. And guess what? He didn't even touch the ball once. 0 touches, 0 glory, 100% hilarious. Close quote.
Well play, mate.